and it now looks perfect. Usually we see two distinct types of AI coding platforms. One category is for non-coders. You type a prompt and you get your app. No coding or understanding of structure required. Those tools are typically designed for simple apps or toy projects. The other category includes tools designed for real coders. If you are an engineer and need AI to speed things up, that second type is for you. What happens when the best of both worlds collide? Boom! When you need to build something serious but don't want to browse through lines of code, that's when Rocket comes to the rescue. In this video, I'm going to review a very promising tool that claims a single prompt plus optional tweaks can yield a full app. Let's try to build something serious using Rocket. Let's put this big boy to the test. Let's dive deep. I'm on the home page, and first thing I'm going to do is sign up and sign in. I use my Gmail to sign in, and I'm now in my account. Before I begin working on creating a cool app of my own, I'm first going to ask Rocket what I can do. What can you do? What are your competitive advantages? Rocket is thinking, and I can see the response. First, speed. Now I'm connecting the dots. Rocket is called Rocket for a reason. It's fast, and we'll test it very soon. Smart scaffolding, Figma integration. Oh wow, that's huge. This is where you can see this is a serious platform designed for serious projects. Full stack capability, no cleanup needed. Okay, I have this consulting business Figma template. Let's use it for our web app, customize it a bit, then add some kind of API integration, and finally deploy it. Let's move this Figma file to team projects first. Now I'm going to click on share and copy dev mode link. Finally, I'll share this Figma link with Rocket, scan my frames, and turn them into code app screens. It looks like I now have to connect my Figma account to Rocket. Let's do it. Connect, allow access, and it's now connected. I'm going to click on Start Import. Look at this, I can select web frames. Let's pick the main pages, including landing page, home page, contact, FAQ, and services, and then click on Start Import. Look at this. I can now pick my tech stack here. Let's go with Next.js, confirm. Now let's select the language. Of course, I'll be predictable and pick TypeScript. Tailwind CSS will be our design system. Confirm, and the agent is working now. Rocket has already scanned the Figma design and is downloading screen images. It's now telling me it will take about 15-20 minutes to build the app. This is the first tool, the first platform that gives me a heads up. Usually I'm sitting and waiting like a buffalo, not knowing what to expect. In this case, the expectations are clear, and I really like these bullet points. They give clarity, structure, and proper expectations. I'm going to have a cup of coffee. I am back, and 15 minutes later my app is ready. I can see the preview and I can see my code. Let's make a few changes to the visual look of this web app, and then we'll try to add something else to this web application. I can switch between pages and this drop down, and here on the right side of the screen I can choose a device: desktop, mobile, tablet. I literally completed the scope of work that would have taken me 2 weeks, a designer and a front-end engineer and a backend engineer in the traditional workflow, in just 15 minutes with no people involved. It's unbelievable. Let's update the colors and logo and improve the look of the site. Change all tones and colors to dark blue, indigo, and Rocket is working on this task. I see an error in the code. I'm going to click on fix, and Rocket is fixing the error. Alright, it looks like the error has been fixed. I'll improve this a bit more, remove this here, send, perfect. Now I'm going to replace this picture with my own picture, replace this picture with a picture of a shark in a business suit, send. I'm providing Rocket with an image of a shark in a business suit, looks nice. Now let's move this a bit higher, move this image higher. Rocket is working on my request and it now looks perfect. Now I want to add some external APIs. Instead of this section, show real-time stock prices, fundamental data by using free tier Finnhub API, send. Alright, look at this guys. I have this section added now, interactive stock market insights and analytics. Perfect. As one final step, I'm going to launch this site. I can launch it on Netlify or I can use a custom domain. I'm going to click on launch on web and the site is now live. I want to show you something important. Rocket offers a vast number of integrations, both general ones like Figma, Supabase for user authentication, and Netlify for one-click app deployment, and project-specific ones like Stripe, Google Analytics, GitHub, Gemini, OpenAI, and many more. So you can literally create an online magazine where you monetize your articles with banners and track traffic through Google Analytics, or you can build a paid consulting website with a chatbot feature enabled. Let's create a relatively simple consulting website. Create a paid consulting website with sign up, sign in functionality. For this task, we'll use React, and at first it will be front-end only. After creation, I'll integrate Supabase for authentication and Stripe for payment processing. The agent is working. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll keep the structure simple. There will only be 2 pages, homepage and pricing. Rocket is still working. And finally, after about 10 minutes of waiting, I see that the website is ready. Let me click on integrate Supabase and get this part done. Here I can add my private and public key to the Stripe section, save, and we're all set. Now I'm going to launch the app. This is my app on the live URL. I'm clicking on get started, filling out the form and creating my account. I just signed in and now I'll try to complete a payment. Let's click on $5. I'm making the payment and the payment is successful. This was an actual purchase completed. I was using my credit card for that. My Stripe API key is working, Supabase is working, and that concludes this tutorial. Rocket offers a very predictable and straight-to-the-point workflow. It takes your mockup, your idea, turns it into a pro-grade application, connects it to databases, APIs, etc., and does it flawlessly so you can focus on the steps and logic without dealing with technicalities and details. Rocket handles all the details so you can focus on bigger goals, and this is definitely a tool for business-minded people who have ideas for their businesses and want to turn those ideas into profitable business models fast. I have included all links in the description. Feel free to check them out. I'm done for now, and I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.